An antique Willcox Gibbs chain stitch sewing machine. This is a light industrial version called a metered tension machine, and being so is that it's got two tensions. Now I've got it running. I really don't know much about this machine. I believe it's threaded right. There's also a gauge here which adjusts this bar, but your thread comes from an external spool, and I believe it's supposed to wrap around this, go through the hole into this loop, back around this tension, and then the rest threads as normal. I'm not too sure. Like I said, I have this one hooked up to a motor because I don't have a treadle for it, and being it's a commercial machine, I can show you at a good speed stitch of it. The serial number is A730648. Trying to think if there was any other things different about it. Oh, it also has this, a hinged foot. Let me see it with the light a little better. I'll show a picture of that in the ad though. But basically I've got it hooked up to a motor so you can see it in action. I did run through some fabric already once, so I'm going to do this again. And here we go. Now, I'm not good at releasing this thread, so we're gonna, I think I'll do it backwards once to unhook it. I'll just crank it through. I was never good with undoing the chain stitch machines. But there you can see our stitch. Come on, focus. Our stitch across the front. Then our loops along the back, and they're fairly symmetrical, but I mean 100 years old, I think we can make it work. So, and there you have it. Like I said, it's called a metered tension version, and it's a light industrial machine.